Fireball don't explode inside Castle Station for London. This one happened inside London. Hey, I hope say nobody die for this explosion, because this one wey be say today we hear explosion, tomorrow this one. I hope say people dey okay. But according to our research, we hear say this fireball explode for one garage underneath the London Elephant and Castle train station, and this one happen. In fact, if you not see the smoke, if you not see the fire, forget even smoke. If you not see the fire. And Oyinbo people, you see why they talk to them, some of these one, they move. Fire go they burn. Where people they run, and there some people go they run. Say they won't go that place, go they look, go they video. If say this thing can't explode past himself, can't carry on, waiting I want talk. My people, I beg, make you follow me, watch this video.
Where's the fire brigade? Where's the fire brigade, bro?
When I say Oyinbo people, some still get mind. Gather there, stand there. They no dey even fear themselves. Say this explosion fit spread. I be this smoke fit choke person. They don't even bother. They just stand there. They look like Dokpemu. Sit down for there. And from what we hear as this thing starts, in fact, they say 10 fire engine. 10 fire engine. Now then these people carry 100 firefighters. I wish say this one happen inside Nigeria. In fact, the 2 firefighters will go. Make the fire they burn for here. They go there for Janiki. They go there for another place. They fight the fire. From that side, now they go they pour the water. Say make the water come reach where fire dey. In which fire never even near them. In which bossy Oyinbo people. Sharp, 100 people, including ambulance, in case a person wound. But our Naija, we know the reason like that. Fire they go, in fact, before I go call them, these people. The people who want that, they go run storm to meet. Before then, these firefighters will come. If they even come, the one will go shock on water no go even there. Even if water dey, the hose no go dey work. Na keg na they go dey use. They swear for us. Why we say we no fit imitate this Oyinbo country? Why we no fit imitate London? Now I understand why black and yellow different. Black people, our thinking, our everything, wogo, everything scatter. But see Oyinbo, everybody they coordinated. Before the and I sure say this one will even happen. This fire, because me I don't even know where this firefighter be na fireball come from. Because I don't know where the person and come or be disappear enter under the, I know they understand. But this one will even happen. They go investigate this matter. They go over investigate this matter. Because for this thing to happen, they go want to see how this thing they reach here. How the thing they, in fact, they go calculate the meter from where this thing reach. They go make sure say, and this thing never even happen again. They go make sure say this thing never even happen again for inside London life again. But Nigeria, Africa, make I never mention Africa on the whole. Fire go they burn. You go call the entire. This fire go even they burn, they extend, they enter another person's house. They go still there. They go they wait. Maybe if the fire spreads more, you go off by himself. They don't go even reason and say, maybe they try help you off this thing. But I sure say God there on these people's side. Because we never hear say anybody die. We just hear say some people wound and the people who wound, they don't already carry them go hospital. And also Oyinbo hospital, they go give them the better treatment. They go treat them well. Nobody will say they will talk say you go first pay for registration before they go treat you. Drip go there, water, everything go there, they can't pay. No wahala. I hope so our Nigerian people and our African country and I go they imitate from this one. But this one be say fire just they explode from nowhere. I beg what did they happen? On our way send the fire ball. Now no direct and to where they go. Where we say don't come enter inside. If say people call the enko. If say people sit down for this train station now story, another story we go to hear. This one now no be corona they keep us. Now ball. Fire wey get burn, na don dey kill person. In fact, oyinbo people on our own self, e dey on our body. I hear this one, I come say make I bring am reach una side, make una sef use una ear hear wetin dey happen for London. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like and also share this video so that everybody sef go see wetin we dey yarn about. I go see you for our next video.